press the bell icon for all the updates.
उसकी बेवफाई से ज्यादा मुझे अपनी वफा से नफरत है।
मोहब्बत का दूसरा नाम वफा है। हम जानते हैं कि हमारे शौहर ने हमसे बेवफाई नहीं की। हम खुद पर शक कर सकते हैं लेकिन यश पर नहीं।
Thank you so much, everyone. We can now remove the headsets. I would now like to invite the producer of the show, Mr. Sunil Mehta from Cinevistas Limited. Sir.
Respected journalists, friends, ladies and gentlemen. Bepana, truly a show that stands apart from the milieu for several reasons. One, it's a path breaker that will hopefully set trends. Two, it comes across as a breath of fresh air that differentiates it from the common denominator of storytelling that the audience has been catered and made used to on prime time. Three, it has probably one of the best coordinated star cast to be assembled for a television soap in recent times. Jennifer Winget as Zoya, a Muslim girl, not only looks stunningly beautiful, but has put in an exemplary performance. She mesmerizes you with the sheer innocence and stature she lends to the character. Harsha Chopra, coming to television after a long gap as Aditya Huda, is equally brilliant. Portraying a difficult characterization with many layers, he has enacted his role hand in glove. Sehban Azam, Namita Dubey, Rajesh Khattar, Parinita, and Malika Nayak, to name a few of the other stellar cast, have carried out their roles with equal dignity and class. The concept and the creation stand miles apart from the clutter dished out on television day after day. View it and experience the change. Compliments to Aniruddha, the man behind, for an absolute brilliant job done. And to Amita Devadiga, the creative director and the project head, whose exemplary devotion, dedication, and sincerity sparkle through the show. The production values, the setting, the sets, the costumes, the look, the outdoors, the feel is different and pulsating. It sets Bepana as a class apart, definitely one amongst the finest shows to be aired on television in recent times. 6. The story, screenplay, and dialogue, the fulcrum of the show, are awesome and awe-inspiring. A Tryst with Destiny brings Aditya and Zoya face to face to discover that their respective partners were involved in an extramarital affair. A relationship that begins bordering on hate, goes through varied stages, brilliantly etched and skillfully penned by a highly esteemed team of writers. Many kudos to them. The unfolding of the show is truly the icing on the cake. And finally, the show promises to live up to the expectations it has garnered over the past couple of weeks. It's been trying times, but all in all, Bepana, we hope, is all set to hit the bullseye.
Let me start with saying something that will probably be a little different from what you guys were wanting to hear. Bepana is not a love story. Bepana is a story about love. Okay, it's about finding love, losing the love of your life, the ones you love, and actually understanding what love really means. So these are the stages of love, right? It's a show about second chances. You know, it happens in real life that life throws something at you and you know, it ends everything that you know of. That is nice, beautiful, perfect for you all. And then suddenly you feel that that's the end of the world. Then you cannot live from here onwards. That everything that you knew to be good and nice has suddenly gone kaput. But unknown to us, life has different plans. Obviously, you know, the universe will conspire to give you something that you're bound to get.
Yes.
And that happens to us every day. I mean, most of us sitting in this room and everybody who's going to be watching this somewhere will relate to the fact that life as we see it is not going to be the way we want it. Probably it's the best that'll happen for us, and the universe is doing that for us. um, Also, that makes us lose a little hope in love and in life altogether. So, you know, it's the story of these four people who have been bound together by fate, while two of them find true love in spite of being in what seems to be a perfect marriage. The remaining two will have to go through a hell lot to be together to find love ultimately. Also, what we intend to do is, you know, it's very easy for us to label the people who've walked out of a marriage. It's very easy for us to label them as cheats, and you know, call them names without realizing that there has to be some kind of emotional problem that these two people might have gone through to take a step. Not everybody is, you know, we're not born bad people. There's circumstances which try and make us little weird, sometimes ends up being bad for other people. So the idea is not to make them cheats, not to call them names, and just to humanize them somewhere, and you know, we can go back and say कि अच्छा यार, किसी की कोई मजबूरी रही होगी तभी तो उसने ऐसा कुछ किया है, तुम्हारी मजबूरी है. And that's the idea. I mean, you want to humanize the people. Not everybody is bad, not everybody is good. There's the circumstances that, you know, at that point of time will make them good or bad. And finally, it's the story of two people who have been dealt a rough hand by fate. I mean, it's the story of their resurrection, practically. It's their journey of self-realization and realization that they too were at fault for their spouses for having gone out. So that is a realization that, you know, comes to Aditya and Zoya when they realize that they were probably not the best of people. So nobody is perfect. Let's change the idea of good people and bad people. Who are good people? Just because you call them, there are no protagonists and antagonists in this world, right? We all are our own protagonists and antagonists. हमारे अंदर जो है अच्छा बुरा सब है. So that is the idea. So it's basically, you know, the journey of Zoya and Aditya to find love again, and how in spite of the world, society, and even their families being against such an alliance, they fight it out, and what emerges is a bond so strong that nothing can shake it. I mean, that's their journey of finding the truest and the most purest of love. After going through so much, after fighting with the whole world, family, and everybody, I think what will emerge if these two people decide to be together, or the fate makes them, you know, get together, I think that will be the strongest bond that any human being can ever experience. So, in a nutshell, that is what Bepana is. Is Bepana nafrat, Bepana mohabbat. So hashtag Bepana love. Thanks.
Aren't we lucky? Aren't we lucky? He's our director also, by the way.